Hi, today we discuss about production planning and control in operation management MBA unit 1. So production planning is a managerial function which is mainly concerned with the following important issues. So first of all, what production facilities are required? How these production facilities should be laid down in the space available for production, and how they should be used to produce the desired products at the desired rate of production. So, broadly speaking, production planning is concerned with two main aspects in organizations: routing or planning work task, layout or spatial relationship between the resources. Production planning is dynamic in nature and always remain in fluid state, as plans may have to be changed according to the changes in circumstances. So production control is a mechanism to monitor the execution of the plan. It has several important functions in operation management. So making sure that production operation are started at planned place and planned times, observing progress of the operations and recording it properly in organization, analyzing the recorded data with the plans and measuring the deviations, taking immediate corrective action to minimize the negative impact of deviation from the plan, feeding back the recorded information to the planning section in order to improve future plans also. Now, objectives and benefits of production planning. So, minimize cost or minimize profit, minimize cost and maximize profits, maximize customer service, minimize inventory investment, minimize changes in production rates, minimize changes in workforce level, maximize the utilization of plant and equipment in organization. Now, the functions of production control. Production function encompasses the activities of procurement, allocation and utilization of resources in organization. The main objective of production function is to produce the goods and services demanded by the customers in the most efficient and economical way. So therefore, efficient management of the production function is of utmost importance in order to achieve these objectives. Now we discuss about the production plan system, the type of production system. A production system can be defined as a transformation system in which a sellable product or service is created by working upon a set of inputs. So inputs are usually in the form of machines, money, materials, etc. So production systems are usually classified on the basis of the following. Number 1, type of production. Number 2, type of production line. Number 3, rate of production. Number 4, equipment used, etc. So they are broadly classified into 3 categories, that is job shop production, batch production, mass productions. So first of all, we discuss about job shop productions. In this system, productions are made to satisfy a specific order. However, that order may be produced only one or at irregular time intervals as when new order arrives, or at regular time intervals to satisfy a continuous demand in organization. Now the following are the important characteristics of job shops type production system. Now we discuss about this. Machines and methods employed should be general purpose as product changes are quite frequent. Planning and control system should be flexible enough to deal with the frequent changes in product requirement. Manpower should be skilled enough to deal with changing work condition. Schedules are actually non-existent in this system as no definite data is available on the product. In process, inventory will usually be high as accurate plans and schedules do not exist. Product cost is normally high because of high materials and labor cost in organizations. Grouping of machines is done on functional basis, that is, as the lethal sections, milling sections, etc. The system is very flexible as management has to manufacture varying products. Type materials handling system are also flexible to meet changing production requirement in organizations. Now we discuss about the batch productions. So batch productions is the manufacturer of a number of identical articles either to meet a specific order or to meet a continuous demand. Batch can be manufactured either only once or repeatedly at irregular time intervals as and when demand arises, or repeatedly at regular time intervals to satisfy a continuous demand. So now we discuss about the importance and characteristic of batch type production system. As final product is somewhat standard and manufactured in batches, economy of scale can be availed the some extent. Machines are grouped on functional basis similar to the job shop manufacturing. Semi-automatic special purpose automatic machines are generally used to take advantage of the similarity among the product. Labor should be skilled enough to work upon different product batches in organization. In process, inventory is usually high owing to the type of layout and materials handling policies adopted. Semi-automatic material handling system are most appropriate in conjunctions with the semi-automatic machines also. So now we discuss about the mass production in organization. So in mass production, some type of production in manufactured to meet the continuous demand of the product. Usually demand of the product is very high and market is going to sustain same demand for sufficiently long time. So we are now discuss about the importance characteristic of mass production system. As same product is manufactured for sufficiently long time, machines can be laid down in order to processing sequence in organization. Product type layout is most appropriate for mass production system. Standard methods and machines are used during part manufacture. Most of the equipments are semi-automatic or automatic in nature. Materials handling is also automatic, such as conveyors. Semi-skilled workers are normally employed as most of the facilities are automatic. As product flows along a predefined line, so planning and control of the system is much easier. Cost of production is low owing to the high rate of production. In process, inventories are low as production scheduling is simple and can be implemented with case. So easy. So production design. Now we discuss about production design. So production design is a strategic design as the image of profit earning capacity of a small firm depends largely on product design. So once the product to the produced is decided by the entrepreneur, the next step is to prepare its design. So product design consists of form and functions. The form Designing includes decision regarding its shape, size, color, and appearance of the product. The functional design involves the working conditions of the product. Once a product is designed, it prevails for a long time. Therefore, various factors are to be considered before designing it. So now we discuss about the factors of production planning. So number 1 with standardization, 2 reliability, 3 maintainability, 4 servicing, 5 reproducibility, 7 sustainability, 8 product simplifications, 9 quality communications or commensurations with cost, next product value, then consumer quality, and the last one needs and tastes of consumer. So above all, product design should be detected by the market demand also. It is an important decision and therefore the entrepreneur should pay due effort, time, energy and attention in order to get the best results in organizations. Now, types of production. Broadly, one can think of three type of production system which are mainly maintained right now. Number 1, continuous production, job or unit production, then intermittent productions. So, continuous production, first of all, we discuss about this. So, it refers to the production of standardized products with a standard set of process and operation sequence in anticipation of demand. So it is also known as mass flow productions or assemble line production. This system ensures less work in process, inventory and high product quality also. But it involves large investment in machinery and equipment. So the system is suitable in 170 plants involving large volume and small variety of output, that is oil, refineries, reform, cement manufacturing, etc. So now we discuss about job or unit production. So it involves production as per customer specification. Each batch or order consists of a small lot of identical product and is different from other batches. So this system requires comparatively smaller investment in machines and equipment also. So it is flexible and can be adapted to changes in product design and order size without much inconvenience. So this system is most suitable where heterogeneous products are produced against specific orders also. So now we discuss about intermittent products. So under this system, the goods and produced partly for inventory and partly for customer order. So components are made for an inventory, but they are combined differently for different customers also. So automobile plants, printing presses, electrical goods plant and examples of this type of manufacturing. So now we discuss about intermittent productions. So under this system, the goods are produced partly for inventory and partly for customer orders. So components are made for inventory, but they are combined differently for different customers. So automobile plants, printing presses, electrical goods plant, etc. for these examples also. Now marketing aspects of production planning. So sales and marketing is a key function whose participation is often hard to enlist. Sales and marketing are critical functions in these processes since they provided the starting point of the planning and scheduling process. So the forecast and customer order demands. They are also vital from viewpoint of providing the proper customer perspective whenever changes need to be made to plans and schedules based on a mismatch of resources to customer demands. Only with proper level of participation in planning and scheduling can sell and marketing optimally leverage its performance and create a trusting and consensus based working relationship with manufacturing, purchasing, planning, engineering, and all other functions in the company. Now, standardization of production planning. So, sizes for screws, nuts, and bolts, and other threatened fastener were first standardized based on work of buy. Now, we discuss about the forecasting. So, the forecasting is unit 2. The growing competition frequently changes in customers' demand and the trend toward automations. So, demand that decisions in business should be based purely on guesses rather than a carefully analysis of data concerning the future courses of events. So, most time and attention should be given to the future than the past. And the questions what is likely to happen should take precedence over what was happened. So, though no attempt to answer the first can be made without the facts or figures being available to answer the second. When the estimate of future conditions are made on a systematic basis, the process is called forecasting and the figure or statement thus obtained is defined as forecast. So that's for the video, my friends. In the next blogs we are discussing about the forecasting of production planning in details. So thanks for watching my videos, my friends. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel.